Hey, it's Karie with the Bookkeeping Nerd. This is video 11 out of my series, Bookkeeping for Etsy Sellers. This video will show you how to reconcile your bank account in QuickBooks Online. If my videos help you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. It's free and it'll help you find my videos easier. And as always, if you need help with your bookkeeping, feel free to reach out. There's a link to my website below this video. Let's get started. Okay, so we are now going to reconcile your bank accounts in QuickBooks. This is actually the last step that you want to do every month. So we are in your home office of your QuickBooks. Hover over All Apps, Accounting, and let's go to the Chart of Accounts. We're going to do Chase Bank. Click on View Register. So you can see right here where it has a C for cleared. When it's reconciled, all of these will have an R. And this is our opening balance. So we're going to click on Reconcile. Okay, so this is the page it takes us to when we click on Reconcile. And it's got all these warning signs. So we need a statement ending balance. We know the statement ending date. We are working on month of January. So where we get this ending balance and the beginning balance, let me show you. Okay, so to reconcile the Chase Bank account, we need the statement from January 1st to January 31st. Our beginning balance was $701.47 and our ending balance was $1,230.42. So right here is where we're going to put the ending balance and the statement ending date is January 31st, 2025. So even though we've already put our beginning balance in, I'm going to show you, it will allow us. So I'm going to click Start Reconciling. This is what comes up when we reconcile. This difference here should be 0. So here's what happened. When I click on that, there we go. So we just needed to clear that. We had not cleared it. So now, when we click on all these, see if we click off all of them. And if I click on each one, it begins clearing them. Okay, now our difference is 0, and that's what we want. Okay, we're just going to click Finish Now. You've reconciled this account, click Done. Now our beginning balance will show for the next one. And this matches $1,230.42 is the ending balance, or the beginning February balance, $1,230.42. And let me show you what that looks like in your chart of accounts. So Chase Bank. All right. So everything right here has been reconciled. So we are good to go for the month of January. Okay, and now we're going to reconcile the Etsy holding account. We just did Chase Bank. So now we're going to work on the second bank account. Click on View Register. And we do not see the reconcile right here. But we have our beginning balance and we have our ending balance. So we want... You can write these down. We want the beginning balance, $34.71, and we want the ending balance, $177.57. Let's click Reconcile. And we are in the correct account. And we will fix this in a minute. So the statement ending balance was $177.57. The ending date was January 31st, 25. Don't have any interest earned. Start reconciling. Okay, so we have our opening balance. We want that. We want all of our deposits. Let's see. We want everything we put into this account, and this difference is 0. So our cleared balance is $177.57. Let me show you where we get this number. Go into your Etsy, your back office. We're going to click on Finances, Monthly Statements, and we're going to the January. Now, we don't have to scroll down very far. Here is our ending balance, right here, $177.57. So this is correct. Let's click Finish Now. Done. So let's go back to the chart of accounts. And your Etsy holding has a balance of $177.57, which coincides with what is still in your Etsy back office. They still owe you this. And this person gets paid once a week, so they will pay that out on the next one. And let me click View Register. And here you can see it's all been reconciled. Next video, the last one for January will be, I'm going to show you the profit and loss.